In this video, we're going to explore how to navigate and effectively use command history in Linux. We'll cover how to quickly access previous commands without retyping them, find specific commands using powerful search techniques, and customize history behavior to match your workflow. Let's start with the basics. The history command displays a list of your previously executed commands. Each command is associated with a number, which you can use for reference. By default, the bash shell stores the last 1000 commands. This command history is saved in a file named .bash_history, typically located in your home directory. You can also specify how many recent commands to display. For example, typing history 5 will show the last 5 commands. Here's how it looks in the terminal. The history command followed by the list of commands with numbers. Then the history 5 command showing only the last 5 commands. Now let's explore some useful keyboard shortcuts to navigate your command history. The up and down arrow keys allow you to scroll through your previous and next commands, respectively. Ctrl+R enables reverse search, allowing you to find commands by typing part of the command. Ctrl+G cancels the search and restores the original line. Alt+ inserts the last argument from the previous command. $! repeats the last command. $! refers to the last argument of the previous command. For example, when you press Ctrl+R, a prompt will appear. As you type, the terminal displays the commands that match your input. As an example, after copying a file, you can use the command chmod 600 $! To change the permissions of the copied file. This is equivalent to typing chmod 600, followed by the file path. History expansion provides a powerful way to recall and manipulate previous commands. $! refers to the previous command. Exclamation mark followed by n, where n is a number, executes the command with that history number. $-n executes the command n lines back. $!string executes the most recent command starting with that string. $!string executes the most recent command containing the string. $old $new performs a quick substitution, replacing old with new in the previous command. Adding $p after any history expansion previews the command without executing it. For instance, $1050 executes command number 1050 from the history. $grep executes the most recent command starting with grep. If you misspell a command, you can use the caret symbol to correct it. Finally, $find:*p previews the find command without running it. Word designators allow you to access specific parts of previous commands. $0 refers to the command name. $caret refers to the first argument. $$ refers to the last argument. $n refers to the nth argument. $x-y refers to arguments x through y. $* refers to all arguments, from the first to the last. Word designators follow event designators, separated by a colon. For example, after creating a directory, you can use $$ to navigate to the directory you just created. After copying multiple files, you can use $caret to list the first file. After running a tar command, you can list a range of files from that command. And after using find, you can use the output as input for another command. You can customize how command history works using several environment variables. HISTSIZE controls the number of commands stored in memory during a session. HISTCONTROL sets the maximum number of lines in the history file. HISTFile specifies the file where history is saved. By default, it is .bash_history. HISTCONTROL controls how commands are saved, for example, ignoring duplicates. HISTIGNORE specifies patterns of commands that shouldn't be saved. These settings can be configured in your .bashrc file for permanent changes. For instance, you can increase the history size, avoid storing duplicates, prevent specific commands from being stored, append new commands to the history file, save multi-line commands as one entry, and save history after each command. Here are some best practices for effectively using command history. Master Ctrl+R for quickly finding commands, pressing Ctrl+R multiple times to cycle through matches, and Ctrl+G to cancel the search. Configure HISTIgnore to exclude trivial commands, and set HISTCONTROL to ignore both duplicates and commands starting with spaces. Learn event and word designators to efficiently reuse parts of previous commands, using the :p modifier to preview expansions before executing. Add comments to complex commands with the hash symbol for future reference. Avoid typing sensitive information directly in commands, using environment variables or tools that mask input. And use tools like historypipe-awk, print$2, pipesort, pipeunic-c, pipesort-nr, pipehead to analyze your most frequently used commands. Mastering command history will significantly improve your productivity and efficiency when working in the terminal. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.